The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
So first of all, the IFC background, the International Fire Code is part of the I-Code series. Building code, mechanical, plumbing, electrical. The NEC is typically used. The energy code, the IEBC, we'll touch on that a little bit later, and explain how that could affect your facility, how you can use it to your advantage. You'll see, I think, one or two examples of basically how that's going to help you out. So the purpose of the IFC is to establish minimum requirements for fire and life safety. One of the things that the IFC establishes and makes very pointed is that it's also for firefighter safety and first responders. Although that's inherent in the building code, so if the building stands long enough for folks to get out, it's also intended to stand long enough for firefighters to get in and rescue anyone or do any firefighting operations. The fire codes specifically point that out. A lot of the effort in there is for responding firefighters. It's a great reference document. It's the go-to guide for fire safety. For those of you with facilities in Maryland, you may be familiar with NFPA 1 fire code, which is adopted throughout the state, ironically with the exception of Baltimore City, which adopts the IFC. The IFC is also widely adopted across the country. So as far as a go-to document, you don't have to know it. You'll see on the slides, the top of the slide, I have a section reference. It's just that. If you need to go back to it, it's there. It gives you an idea. But if the IFC is adopted in your facility, you should have it. It's essentially, you can use it as a handbook